Come on, man. How do you start an announce?
Para.
Cut, please, cut. Welcome, friends, to Screw Channel. Today, after several months and our hundreds and hundreds of subscribers asking us to talk about 3D printers again, today we're going to go back to them. You will see part of the construction process of our 400 cubic 3D printer.
Así que chavales y chavalas, sentaros porque van a ser...
I'll show you how I made the structure, the printing surface, the bridge.
Son cosas un poco... Esta máquina tiene ciertos detallitos un poco especiales.
This machine will have certain somewhat special details, such as the remote layer fan or a heated bed that, although not at the first, may end up being selectable. Details that I am sure you like to see. Silly follies of the screw boss that will surely delight all the people who are fond of 3D printers. And if you are not, I assure you that you will start here.
Así que chavales, esto es... Canal Tornillo.
Vamos a ver técnicamente que estamos hablando de lo mismo.
You have already seen how reasonably laborious it's to build a 400mm industrial grade 3D printer. What does this mean? A simple machine, a reliable and robust machine, it won't twist, it has no artifice, no Bluetooth, no internet or that crap that only causes problems.
Esas chorradas que siempre dan problemas.
Personally, I think it will be a great machine and it will make screw channel even bigger. Today you have seen structure, guides and ball screws and sub-heated bed. Soon you will see the heated bed, the bridge, the linear rails, wirings, fairings, absolutely everything. Remember, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitch. If you like this video, give it a upper hand, comment, share. I also have a Patreon in case you want to give me your money.
Es que esto es como un emporio, esto es un emporio, Dios mío. Así que nos vemos en el próximo vídeo.